Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G200 5G and let me show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we have to pick photos category. Here at the last place we have watermark option, so let's tap to it, and here we are. We can add to our picture 3 types of watermarks, timestamp and device. We can easily turn on and off by using these 2 buttons from the right. As you can see, when they are turned on, we have also short preview, so we can see closer, for example, Motorola Watermark shot on Moto G200 5G. And signature is connected with device, so we have to remember to turn on Motorola's watermark to get access to it. And here we can add our own watermark, for example, HardReset. Now let's save it. It also appears here in preview in the second line. So this is how it looks like. Let me keep turning on all of these settings now, and let's move back to camera to take a photo to see how they look like at the read picture. And now let's move to right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my picture with watermarks at the bottom. From the left we have the device watermark with HardReset custom one, and from the right we have timestamp. And of course, when we don't need them or need another composition with that, we have to move back to camera, right corner settings, photos category, tap to watermark and manage this as we need, or just turn them off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.